Latest fresh look of Namboole Stadium under renovation. Nelson Mandela Stadium, better known as Namboole Refurbishment Works, is giving the facility a whole new look and a worthy status of its glory. The sneak peek in where it has come from, one will appreciate the significant steps taken towards the progress and growth of Namboole Stadium under renovation. Works is giving the facility a whole new look of a worthy status of its glory. Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe. Thanks for watching. Email us at gabiwater12@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 072-606-5123. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.